Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera from MDC Trading Academy with our pre-market forecast for today, Monday, March the 25th. Let's begin with our news items. It looks like we have a busy week of reports, but in fact, it isn't that many reports. What we have is a lot of these members from the Federal Reserve Bank speaking. Our first significant report happens on Tuesday at 8:30 in the morning, followed by one at 10 in the morning. After that, we really don't have anything till then again Thursday, or Tuesday, then Thursday at 8:30. And then after that, we have nothing till Friday at the core CPI. Then we have personal spending, and of course Chicago PMI. So of all of the days that we need to really be concerned with in reference to news, Friday is the big day. So remember, please check these news items before you do your trading. Make sure it's part of your pre-market routine to make sure that you understand what's going on in reference to these reports. They may impact the market in ways that you don't expect. So best thing is to try to stay out. Let's look at our analysis chart, our daily chart here. Market coming off the established highs after it broke our resistance level here at 28.66. Retraced all the way down to the 20, which was something we accept it could happen. High volume, almost 2 million contracts. We have 1.9 million. Market coming and finding support there. Now is breaking through. Remember, the next level of support we talked about, it can go all the way down to the 200 SMA before it continues to the upside. So the expectation is still up. Technically, there's no reason why we should go any lower or break, unless we break these levels here of support here. But technically, volume is pretty fair. We're at 1.2. Our ATR is at 29. Plus, we've broken a very key level of resistance, which had held up the market several times way back here with the double top back in 2018. And of course, this was the beginning. Like I keep repeating, I sound like a broken record, but this is important. We do have our crossover 80-20 to the upside. We have a huge angle on the 50. We have the 200 SMAs kind of flat, but it's going to ask support. We'll see what happens today. Don't fall in love with either side today. Just be very careful on the trades that you choose and go with the trends. Always going with the trends. Let's look closely here at our analysis chart. Again, remember I had drawn this huge rectangle. This rectangle goes back a couple of weeks. Those are the major support and resistance areas on this run. If you noticed earlier this week, the market came and touched these areas. It couldn't penetrate. Then it came right off these areas. And this is what we ended up now today. We're in this area here. We have a trend line to the downside here. All of our profit targets or objective prices have been touched or have been involved in this move, either to the upside or to the downside. Let's go to our analysis chart here. Again, what we have here is a market between areas. We're between yesterday's high of Friday's intraday high and the intraday low. Market is broken through this area right now, and right now the market tends to be holding slightly above it, just slightly above it. We do have this trend line here to the downside here, and a clear support area that we have developed down here. So we do have a descending triangle to the upside. Market has the potential to move lower. Now, what are we expecting today? We're expecting market either to continue lower by respect to this area here, or to break through this area and attempt to come retest all these points to the upside, and ultimately come and retest the intraday high. Now, the other potential is, of course, for the market to hold this area as resistance, come down here and kind of oscillate for a while between these two areas. Is potential, just oscillate between these two areas, ultimately come and break through here. Now, that's one of the potentials. We can also come down here and kind of hold, and eventually, instead of breaking through, the market can come down, come retest this areas, and potentially break this area and attempt to go higher. So again, right now we're looking a little mixed. We have some activity above the intraday low. We have some activity below. We're looking for a mixed market today, so be very careful today. Don't fall in love to either side. Have a great trading session. Let us know what you think.